a difference? And can you build a community? Because the name of our session is Building Community.
Right. But I wouldn't call us a community. And there's elements missing there, right? So we run together. There's some level of support, but it dissipates after the run. No ongoing connection and community conversations around our practice of running or our interest of running. Can a group become a community?
You can't build a community. It cannot be done. I can take Legos and I can build a structure, but I can't make something happen. You can build the environment that hopefully facilitates a community, but you can't build a community. Realistically, no organization wants a community. What they want is what we perceive to be the activity that takes place within. I would argue that over the years that LearnChat has started to stretch its definition to a bit of a community. What's the activity that's going on? And how do we foster that activity? And then the bones of a community can kind of sometimes form around. We were having conversations that resonated with people, and people continue to connect through that. The fact that Mark and I connected via this formal conversation, I learned about his expertise, he learned about mine.
If you pull away everything that defined it as a group, and something's left behind, does that mean community exists?
As new hires came aboard the company, we created, through SharePoint, a simple place for them to blog their experience. They needed each other. They could relate to each other. They left our social tool within SharePoint and created their own Facebook group. That to me is a truer definition. Are they still connecting in a broader community beyond what I can see? Maybe, but I don't know for sure.
At what point do we become responsible for all sharing and togetherness in organizations? Right? Somehow our function just evolved into it.
I hear new hires and I don't hear community, I hear cohort. That shared purpose is there. Everyone should be coming in with that shared purpose.
If the organization wasn't functioning in such a way to not enable people to get together, they wouldn't need me to worry about it.
They have to be able to see the value of their content. When somebody actually makes a comment or builds context around it and found it valuable, and you need to be that person to set that tone. Don't let the technology start to dictate the terms of what works and doesn't work. Technology only extends and expands what's already happened.